Pineapple shrimp. Ingredients: 2 cups chopped fresh pineapple, 2 cups chopped fresh peaches, 1 jalapeno pepper asterisk, a half of a medium red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon salt, juice of 1 or 2 limes, 1 bunch fresh cilantro, chopped. Directions: finely chop pineapple, peaches, jalapeno, red onion, and red bell pepper. Combine all ingredients and chill for about 30 minutes before serving. Serve with tortilla or pita chips. Remove seeds and ribs for a medium salsa. For more heat, leave in some of the seeds.